We are still going to work on subtraction. You are on page 51. Question 3. Subtract by writing the number of tens and ones in each number. Okay, so the first one it shows us is 36 is equal to 30 plus 6. We can make that. Okay, 36. Now it tells us we want to take away 20 and 4. All right, makes sense. So we would take away 4 and we would take away 20. What's left? A 10 and a 2. 10 and 2 is 12. Question B. 84 is equal to 80 plus 4. Well, let's make it. There's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 4. 8 plus 4 is 84. We want to take away 52. 50 plus 2. So that's 4. Here we go. Here's 50 and 2. And in return we get 3 and 2. 32. You can continue this activity when the video is paused. When you turn the video back on, I will be explaining question 4. All right, here we go with question 4. It says, subtract the numbers by subtracting the digits. Okay, so this time they don't want you to write it like this. They want you to just write it like this. We can do that. Well, we still have 54, so let's make that again. 54, and it would like us to take away 23. Okay, well we can do that because we know 23 is 2 tens and 3 ones. What do we have left? 1, 2, 3 tens and 1 1. That's 31. So make sure you keep it in nice clear rows when you write it down. Make sure it lines up really well. That will prevent you from getting confused. Let's have a look here. 86. Let's make it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 86. And they want you to take away 73. Well, I know that's 3 ones, so I'm going to take away 3 ones. And what I have left is 3 ones, so I'll write down 3. Then the 80 wants you to take away 70. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 70. And we have 1 left. Okay. The next thing you're going to do, and you made sure that they were lined up really carefully when I wrote them down. Now it's time for you to make 36, and you will take away 15 and write it down carefully. You will finish all of these while the video is paused. When you turn the video back on, I will show you how to do 5. All right, question 5. Draw a picture of 543 using hundreds, tens, and ones blocks. All right. So if I were to draw 100, it would just be a square. So draw that, and you will draw 2, 3, 4. I'll use a blue one. 5. And for 40, we know that that's 4 tens. And for the 3, we know it's 3 ones. So when you draw them, The squares are the hundreds. You'll need 5 of those. Tens are just long rectangles, very thin. And ones are little squares. Then it wants you to take away 421. So we'll be crossing those out. So we will cross out 110. We will cross out, we will cross out 1 1. We will cross out 2 10s. Sorry, I made a mistake. That happens to us all. And I will cross out 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 hundredths. What I'm left with, I will count up 100, 2 10s, 2 1s. And I will write that number down. Then I will know. Then it says, subtract the numbers by lining up the digits and subtracting. So instead of drawing it, they want you to line it up like this. You will write down 543. Oh, right here, 543. Just like that. Then you will say, I'm going to subtract 421. Just like that. And then you will say, okay, 3 take away 1 is, 4 take away 2 is, 5 take away 4 is, and you will write it down. You'll see if you got the same number. All right, go ahead and get that done. When you turn the video back on, I will explain to you how to do number 6. All right, number 6. How do you think you would subtract the following numbers? Show what you think the answer would be. All right, so we have 7,000 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoa, this is a very big number. Then we have 5 hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 3 10s. We have 2 1s. All right. 2 take away 1. 2 take away 1 is 1. Let's write it down. 3 take away 2 is 1. Let's write it down. 5 take away 1 is 4. Let's write it down. And 7 take away 4 is 3. Let's write it down. So 7,532 take away 4,121 is 3,411. All right, let's have a look at the next one. Ooh, I don't have any that can model that, but we can figure out the pattern, I bet. I bet we can figure it out. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right. So let's do, we have 6 1s and we want to take away 5. We're left with 1. Now we have 5 10s and we want to take away 4. Oh, we're left with 1. We have 3 hundredths. We want to take away 2. We're left with 1. We have 5 thousands. We want to take away 4. We're left with 1. Now, we don't have anything to model the 10,000. But let's see if we can figure out the pattern. 6 take away 4. It's just 2. We can do that, even without our blocks. All right? Try to figure out C on your own. And you may stop the video.